pepper tree, tomato plant, chard. All the succulents you see actually came from the same. So this is like the head of the succulent. This basil's not doing that great. Salad. This rosemary actually took, and this is not from seed, this is just a growth. Same here, this basil from a growth. Same. These chives were planted and regrown, not from seed. And this mint is going wild, and that too. I just planted a few little mints and it went pretty crazy. This is the main succulent. As you can see, it just keeps popping new little buddies here. And with the light here, I grow a bunch of rosemary in the dirt, but I use the light source.